Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, we tease him a lot, cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. All right, so hopefully that last work session was a productive one for you. For me, I changed three of the jobs. They were finished, the print jobs. So I got them printing again another set. I was kind of putting together stuff. And I put together like the glue and everything for the other stuff that I've been packaging. I've been kind of seeing what's next because I still have to send an email with the tracking numbers for everybody who I shipped out yesterday. And then some of them were like overseas and some did priority, and I can't send lithium batteries. That's the thing I learned via those ways. So I have to go in, have them sent through like Amazon or something. So I have to figure out one for France. There should be like Amazon France. I'm assuming probably, hopefully. I don't know. Somehow I'll make that work. Yeah, so all that stuff's printing. I didn't get a chance. I was going through some of the nozzles, I bought some new nozzles. So I was kind of like organizing those. And so I need to still take out. I'm really hoping it's just the nozzle thing there. Did some post radio show promo stuff. It's getting there. It's getting there. So yeah, I think maybe a couple more weeks of doing orders. I should be good. So I already got like almost 4 kind of ready to go. So three like well, there's some stuff I might need to make. I need to check the supplies to see if I have them already. Neither are there. Let us talk about this thing that I came across when I was looking about the other thing we spoke about earlier in the first cipher of the day. Let me share my screen here. So first we were talking about VO3 fast and being able to create videos from images and things. And so we were like in this section. And I was kind of like, oh, wait, what's this? Lyria? Music generation. Interesting. It's like experimental. I was kind of like looking through it. I'm like, okay, this is pretty cool. And so figured to talk about it and maybe look at some demos and stuff. So I'm going to post a link to this, to the docs here, so you can check it out for yourself and maybe play around with it. Now, I'm conflicted because I'm big into music, right? I really like music. Every week I pick up some albums on Bandcamp and I put them on social media. I have a radio show where I play a lot of music and artists and things. And I've helped artists put out music and all these other things, right? And so, I mean, for it to be just like generated by like AI, I don't know how I feel about that. You know what I'm saying? Because it may be taking like jobs from folks kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? But then, I mean, also, because we look at some examples, like you can actually like create music also together. And so maybe people can use it to make music. You know what I mean? And so that's how I'm kind of like thinking about this. People will be able to make their own music and put stuff out there and try, maybe gain a following or something. I don't know. All right. So here we go. So music generation using Lyra real-time. Now, the Gemini API using Lyra real-time provides access. Does it have its own thing? Oh, okay. Okay. No, I think we'll look at that also. Provides access to a state-of-the-art real-time streaming music generation model. So let's say, because you can listen to music here on the website, you know what I'm saying, untilit.works. What if, and it's stuff that like I picked, you know what I'm saying, like artists that I know submitted music for it. But then what if, and I did that also to kind of like promote the artists. But what if you wanted something different? You know what I'm saying? And so be able to kind of like create it, customize it for yourself. And so while you're working on what you're working on,
So you're not limited to like the stuff that I want you to hear. You know what I'm saying? And so I don't know. Again, it's still just kind of, I'm like, I don't know. But yeah, it allows developers to build applications where users can interactively create, continuously steer, and perform instrumental music. And so again, that's kind of like, in this use case for this site, that might be kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? And I don't even know if they spoke about like pricing also, because that can get kind of expensive. I would think. I'm not sure. So I don't pricing. Let me see something real quick. Let me look at the pricing here. Does this talk about? Oh, so I guess it's just under. Well, no, wait, hold on. Where's Lyra? So I see all the stuff here. Here's like the VO stuff. I don't see Lyra. Interesting. Okay, we'll see. All right. So yeah, so is Lyra real time is an experimental model. So don't go basing like your $1 million startup idea on this, because right now it's experimental. So to experience what can be built using Lyra real time, try it on AI Studio using Prompt DJ. Let me open that. I think one of these I opened already. And MIDI. All right, MIDI DJ. Cool. Let's take a look at them. Let me see. Which one was this one? No, this one. Okay, so share this tab instead. So this is the Prompt DJ. Launch. Okay. Then if you click play, tune. I like how like the color also gets bigger. I like that. Pretty dope. So it's right here for the Neo Soul. Okay, I guess there you go. So you kind of hear. So it's not like blends or anything. That's interesting. So we got like a change in tempo and everything, but still some chip tune. And then like a punchy kick. Let's take that off. Okay. Interesting. Drum and bass. Again, I like the colors. Oh wow, hello. Then you can add more things here. Oh, so I guess whatever I want to put in here, maybe. Okay, did that. Now this stuff I'm not too sure about. But hold on, let me. Kind of chaotic, but okay. Okay, hold on. Interesting. Okay. All right. So let's see what the hip hop thing's about. Hopefully. Maybe he wants them all together. Okay. Maybe it should be together, maybe they think. I don't know. Okay, I broke it. I wonder how they have hip hop. There's so many different ways to spell hip hop. Maybe there's a hyphen. Maybe they have it as a hyphen. Okay. Let's try R&B. R. Now, does it have an ampersand? Who knows? Okay. Oh, I have to hit play. Okay, never mind. Okay, interesting. Okay. Huh. You can't really like change the tempo or anything. Interesting. All right. Okay. So that was that one experiment. So that's the prompt DJ one. Let me see the MIDI one. Prompt DJ MIDI. Wow. This one. Yeah. Too many knobs for me right now. That's a lot here. That's pretty dope. Okay. So yeah, neo soul and funk and drum and bass. And what's cool? Well, hold on. Okay, that's pretty dope. And then also, yeah, so the colors also kind of change. I want a lot of funk. Come on, nope, come on. What do I? Oh, there it is. You get funkier. Okay, a little voice thing. Okay, interesting. What's cool is also they have a code editor. So it looks like you're able to do this at the same time. That's pretty dope. And like the whole thing is here, like the whole code, everything is all in one file. And not a lot of things here. Well, I'm assuming there's like HTML also somewhere. How do you oh, here you go. Show. Okay. So yeah, so they have some, so this is just the main part to, as far as like the AI stuff. And yeah, so you need your Google API, you tell the model, and then you go ahead with there's like a run main probably. Yep, main. Just fire that off there. And then we go, oh, that's probably kind of tiny there. Let me see something. Oh, this is even like a responsive. That is pretty cool. That's pretty dope. All right. And we have a bunch of event listeners. So yeah, so you're listening for prompts changed. Okay. So you have to instantiate a PDJ MIDI, which comes from, okay, we have the audio now. Oh, here we go. New prompt MIDI DJ, which comes from another here, components. So the components. So yeah, so we have all the components here. Okay. Ooh, using lit. Okay. All right. Using oh, so is it using web components? Okay. All right. I'd like this even more. Okay. All right. It's pretty dope. Nice. Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, you can change these. Oh, that's cool. Huh. So let me see the index.html then. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. I've not done this like type import map yet, and seen that's pretty dope. Okay, so that means that it's available then to be used here. That's dope. So hold on, is there a package.json? Huh, there is no like package.json, and that's because I think they're importing it this way. Oh, that is wild. I have not seen that before. And they're importing like the TSX. So this is work without having to be compiled and stuff. Huh. That is pretty dope. Okay, and that's some util stuff here. Okay. Huh. Well, I just like the way it's kind of like architected. You know what I'm saying? Like the way they put it together. I always like to like learn more when I see other people's codes. Huh. So then, all right. So this is so I think this prompt MIDI, I think is this thing here. And so then they have, but I'm trying to figure out, so wait, where's the, oh, wait a minute. I think they're adding them dynamically, these things. So it doesn't show up in the HTML because I think they're adding it dynamically or something. Oh, here we go. So they have these prompts. Okay. So these default prompts. Oh, build initial prompts. All right, so you're going to pick 3 at random. And, okay, have the ID, set the prompts. Where is it that they're actually creating prompts changed? Yeah, I'm going to check this out a little bit more later. It's pretty dope. Okay, nice. All right, so wait, so let me look at the code of the other one then. Share this tab instead. What's this? Oh, yeah, high preview. Okay. Show code editor. All right. This is pretty dope that it's in the browser. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and they're using more like web components. That's dope. So okay, yeah. So here's the stuff here to set it up, and then the sliders. Okay, so yeah, so they just have like it's called weight slider. So I'm trying to figure out where is it that they're adding these things. They got a scroll container. That's pretty cool. Oh, here we go. So here's what returns back when you have that thing. I'm trying to figure out where are they actually adding the web components. Unless it's in the HTML, but it wasn't like that for the other one. Interesting. So they have all the different like web components all in a single file. Interesting. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so here, weight slide. Oh, okay, render. They have a render thing. Or it was run. So yeah, okay, that's dope. So they have the weight slider. All right, cool. And then the settings controller thing. Okay. So yeah, so they have like web components within web components. Interesting. A lot of CSS here. Okay. All right. A lot of stuff. Oh, you can do like scales and stuff. Interesting. Yeah, see, stuff like this is where a lot of my time goes, where I'm just kind of like looking through code and seeing how people do stuff. Okay, but yeah, no. So okay, real quick, go back to here. All right, so yeah, so we looked at some of the stuff, some of these two here. So how music generation works: Lyra real-time music generation uses a persistent bi-directional low latency streaming connection using WebSockets. Oh, okay, that's cool. Actually, I was working on some WebSocket stuff for work and things, so that's pretty dope. All right, so generate and control music. Lyria, I don't know. Real time works a bit like the live API. There's a live API? What is this? What is a live API? Hold on, wait a minute. See, I'm going down rabbit holes. Okay, live API enables low latency real time voice and video interactions with Gemini. Oh, okay. It processes continuous streams of, oh, wow, audio, video, or text to deliver immediate human-like spoken responses, creating a natural conversational experience for your users. That's pretty dope. Huh, live audio, okay. Huh. And stream by, that's kind of like what I was working on, some bi-directional audio stuff. Your microphones, okay. So I wonder, like if you brought this in with that, then you could maybe, like instead of twisting knobs, you could say like, hey, I feel like this now. And then it would change it to that mood or whatever. And he'd be like, hey, no, more cowbell or something. I don't know. And it would just generate it. Interesting. Or maybe it can see like, ooh, what if it could like score a movie or something? Like you show it a video and you're like, hey, score the sounds of this or something. You know what I'm saying? If it's like rainy or something outside, and like maybe it's some more moody music than if it was like bright and sunny. I wonder if you could do that for like create an application and depending on the weather, generate some music. Oh, that might be a cool side project. Huh. Yeah, okay. Generate and control music. So yeah, so pretty much kind of like what you saw before. It's a little bit different code here, but okay. You can set, all right, so then yeah. So you kind of set up the session and everything here. And then you set the weighted prompts. So you kind of like, hey, I want this. And then you set the music generation config. Okay. So you set like the BPM and stuff. Okay. And then you play it. Huh. Okay. And then you can steer the music. So that same set music generation config, which was right here, right? So you can pass multiple music generation configs in there. or the way they prompts it. And so you have like these two things. Okay. I wonder if that has to add up to 1. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. 1 is usually a good starting point. So, yes, it probably has like add up to 1 maybe. Again, I don't know. I'm just kind of, this is my first time seeing this. Okay. And then you can update it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. With the reset connect context. And then here's a non-exhaustive list of prompts you can use. So, wait, hip hop. How do they have hip hop spelled? Do they even have hip hop? I feel. Oh, no, these are instruments. Oh, they have like a 808. Oh, they do have 808 hip hop beat. Okay, cool. Music genre. Let's see how they have hip hops. How's Jamaican dub? How do they not have hip hop? They probably have rap, maybe. No. They have trip hop. Huh. They must have. Oh, here we go. Hip hop. So they do spell it 2 different words. That is not in alphabetical order. I thought it was in alphabetical order. It was until, yeah, like it's all alphabetical order. Oh, lo-fi hip hop. Where's regular hip hop? Or if they have boom bap hip hop, would that? Okay, I'm not seeing it. Okay, never mind. And no, then you can do mood. Okay. Huh. Fat beats. All right. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. So okay, yeah, some jittering and stuff. Huh. This is pretty interesting. Oh, and there goes that last one. Okay. Yeah. So, oh, and then you had the scales and things like I saw before. Okay, that's pretty dope. I'm interested in that live thing. That's pretty cool. I have to check that out because that could. We'll see. All right. Yeah. So that's that. Okay, I've spoken about this way too long. I just kind of like went down the whole rabbit hole, but that stuff is kind of interesting to me. You know what I'm saying? And I can find some use cases, but being that I want to support artists and things as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of like 2 minds of it. So let me know what you think about it, and I'm gonna get y'all back to work because again I'm gotta replace that thing there. I gotta get another print going. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Let me know what you think. We'll come back. We'll take a look at an artist's website when we come back and listen to some music and watch some videos and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you'll become a fan. But yeah, till then, thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna send y'all off with Nujabez featuring a Piney B. The track is called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. See you around like 15 minutes after the hour. All right. Thanks again, y'all. Y'all be easy. And peace.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I think showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard.